You bought Amazon Prime item and you found it's not good for you. Like item you received is defective and not working. Maybe you received wrong item not as described in photos and description, you bought by mistake, or you don't need it anymore. In those cases, you can return product to receive refund or replacement from Amazon. Actually, Amazon Prime offers prepaid UPS return labels. Like if you use Amazon Prime, then you don't need to pay for a return label to return your item to Amazon. That's all okay, but how you can get UPS prepaid return labels on Amazon? That's what exactly I'm gonna show you guys in this video.
Okay, this is the item I want to return. So I will be getting UPS prepaid return label for that on Amazon. Just click on return or replace items. Check this box. Select reason why you want to return this item. You can select what you are facing with your item. I received defective item, that's why I'll select item defective or doesn't work. Now write the honest short comment over here. My item is not working, that's why I'll just write doesn't work. You don't need to write much over here. Click continue. Now here we have to select one option from these three options. First option is replace with the exact same item. In this they will send you a new same item without any charges. But if you'll not return defective item in 30 days, then you will get charged for replacement from your attached payment method. Second option is you can get refund in your Amazon account balance after return. Third option is you can get refund in your credit or debit card after returning the item. I'll select third option. Click continue.
Before walking ahead, I want to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get latest uploads from our channel.
Now here we have to select return method. Leave these options, scroll down, click two other return options. Now select UPS drop-off points. It will cost you nothing. Click confirm your return. Click print label and instructions, and here we go. We got UPS prepaid return label free of cost from Amazon. Now here's one more thing people get stuck in there, which is it's not downloadable or savable return label. So we have to take screenshot through snipping tool like that. Now you can print this return label and affix it to the outside of return package. These are some perfect examples.
I wish and hope you guys will like this informative how-to video. If yes, then please hit the like button, smash subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. If you do have any questions, then please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.